Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. And now we find from the Bhagavad Gita there are three words Sanatana, eternal, is used there. First thing is this jiva, these living entities, they have been described as Sanatana. Mamai Bhagsa Jiva Bhuta, Jiva Loki Sanatana. We are living entities, Sanatana. It is not that we have become Jiva Bhuta by the influence of Maya. We have put ourselves in the influence of Maya, therefore we are Jiva Bhuta. Actually, we are Sanatana. Sanatana means eternal, Nitya, Sasata. Jivatma is described, Nitya Sasatayang Nahannati Annamani Sariri. That is Sanatana. So, we are so less intelligent that if I am eternal, Sanatana, I have no birth and death, why I have been put into this tribulation of birth and death? This is called Brahma Jignasa. But we are not educated. But we should be educated. At least we should take advantage of it. This is Shastra. We are Sanatana. And another world is there mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita. Parastasmat tu bhava anya bhakta bhaktya sanatana. Bhakta bhakta sanatana. This material world is manifested. And background of this is a total material energy, Mahatattva, that is not manifested. So bhakta of bhaktya. Beyond this, there is another nature, spiritual nature, sanatana. That is called sanatana. Parastasmatu bhava anya bhakta abhaktyat sanatana. And the jiva bhuta sanatana. And in the 11th chapter, Arjuna described Krishna as Sanatana, the three Sanatana. The three Sanatana. So if we are all Sanatana, there is Sanatana Dham. And Krishna is Sanatana, we are also Sanatana. So when they are combined together, that is called Sanatana Dharma. They do not know what is Sanatana. They think that if I dress in a certain way, and if I am born in a certain community, then I will become Sanatana Dharma. No. Everyone can become Sanatana Dharma. But they do not know what is the meaning of Sanatana. Every living entity is Sanatana. And Krishna, God is Sanatana. And there is a place where we can meet together. That is Sanatana Dham. Sanatana Dham, Sanatana Bhakti, Sanatana Kam. When it is executed, that is called Sanatana Dharma. So what is that Sanatana Dharma? Suppose I return to that Sanatana Dham, and there is God, Sanatana, and I am Sanatana. So what is our Sanatana activities? Does it mean that when I go to Sanatana Dham, I become God? No. You do not become God, because God is one. He is the Supreme Lord, Master. And we are servants. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Jiver Sarupaya Nitya Krishna. So here every one of us, we are claiming to become Krishna. But when we return to the Sanatana Dham, then we, unless we are qualified, we cannot go there, then we eternally engage in the service of the Lord. That is Sanatana Dharma. So you practice it. The Sanatana Dharma means this Bhakti Yoga. Because we have forgotten. Everyone is trying to become God. Now practice here how to become servant of God. And if you are qualified, actually, that now you are rest assured that you have become a servant of God. that is Bhakti Marga, as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gopi Bhaktu Padakamalo, Dasa, 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 Anudasa. When you are expert in becoming the servant of the servant of the servant of the servant of the Lord, 100 times down, servant, then you are perfect. But here, everyone is trying to become the Supreme Lord. Somebody is misusing the word, Soham, Aham Brahmasmi, and therefore I am the Supreme. But that is not. These are Vedic words. But Soham does not mean I am God. Soham means I am also the same quality. Because Mami Mangsa Jiva Bhuta, Jiva is the part and parcel of God, Krishna. So the quality is the same. It's like you take a drop of water from the sea. So the chemical composition of the whole water of the sea and a drop of water is same. That is called Swa or Brahmasana. Not that we misuse these words, Vedic version, and I think falsely that I am God, I have become God. But if you are God, then why become a dog? Does God becomes dog? No. That is not possible. Because we are minute particles. That is also mentioned in this Shastra. Kishagra satobhagasya satadha kalpitasya cha jiva bhaga sabhijnaya sa anantaya kalpati. Our spiritual identity is that we are 10,000 parts of the top of the air. It is like a very small, we divide it into 10,000 parts and one. That is our identity. Now that small identity is within this body. So where you will find it? You have no such machine. That's why we say Niraka. No, there is Akar. But it is so minute and small that it is not possible to see within this material eyes. So we have to see through the version of Veda. Shastra Chakrusha, that is the Vedanta version. You have to see through the Shastra, not by these blunt eyes. That is not possible.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.